Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the basics so we don't chase phantom fixes. Open Settings and check your iPhone model and iOS version. Updates matter. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular are enabled and airplane mode is off. Now go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Once there, toggle Location Services on if it's off. You've completed the first active steps needed to let apps request precise location and for system services to function. Next, you'll refine who gets location and how precise it is. Tap each app that uses location and set permission to while using or always depending on the need. Enable precise location for mapping or ride apps. Scroll down to System Services and enable essential items like Find My, location-based alerts, and significant locations so system features work. If settings look contradictory or apps still fail, use Reset Location and Privacy to clear permissions and start fresh. Finish by calibrating and verifying the fix. Restart your iPhone, then open Maps and a third-party app that uses location to confirm accuracy. If location drifts, update iOS and try toggling location services off and on. Test again. As a final software step, repeat Reset Location and Privacy only if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if software resets don't help and GPS remains inaccurate, the issue may be hardware. Contact Apple support or schedule an Apple Store visit for diagnostics and potential antenna repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.